Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Jamaica's athletics program is bracing for an anti-doping hit following news that one of the nation's sprinters has returned an adverse analytical finding for a banned drug during competition in June. Keon Rayner has the details.
1 month before the next IAAF World Championships, TVJ Sports can report that a Jamaican athlete who was destined to compete in Doha, Qatar, has been cited for an adverse analytical finding for a banned diuretic. According to one impeccable source, it is understood that the substance was found in the athlete's A sample and was contained in a cold and flu medication, which has since been tested by a lab in North America, NSF International Labs in Michigan, USA. The initial test was carried out at the WADA-accredited lab in Montreal, Canada. Under the World Anti-Doping Agency WADA and IAAF doping rules, the athlete is facing the possibility of a 4-year ban for this first offense if the athlete is found guilty. Another source with knowledge of the matter has informed TVJ Sports that the tainted sample was taken at the National Senior Trials in Kingston between June 20 and 23, where the sprinter secured a top 3 finish. One of the sources, who spoke on condition of not being named, given confidentiality issues concerning doping cases, says the sprinter requested that the B sample be tested since the first week of August. The source also shared that the athlete was informed of the A sample result on July 25. TVJ Sports was unable to reach the athlete's team on Monday. Up to sports time, efforts by TVJ to also contact President of the J3As, Dr. Warren Blake, as well as Alexander Williams, who chairs JADCO, were unsuccessful. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Rayner.